Hi guys, welcome back to Dinopedia, and today I'm going to show you my review of this Discovery set. It's a STEM toy with 3 individual models that you can create on your own, and it comes in this, and it's really fun to play, and I'm going to show you the 3 models. The first model I'm going to be showing you is this one. It's like a robot which can like spin, and it was a circuit, like a series of wires, both live and neutral. And this is the battery supply, and they all go along into the power circuit. And then when you turn it on, it makes a contraction. And the second one is going to be this one, and this one also has a separate item, which is this plastic ball. And it's a similar circuit, both with live and neutral again, with the power supply. And instead, it does this. There's a fan inside, and it makes this fly and then eventually come off. And then this is a really fun project, and I really liked it. And it's like really scientific. Like it has all the the fan is really and it's really cool. The final one, and my most favourite, is this rocket launcher. The same thing with live and neutral with a power supply, but then instead of a on and off button, it has an ejector, or a button that you can press. And when you press the button, that happens. It's like one of my most favourites, and it's amazing to play with. And it's really easy to make as well. Now I'm going to show you all of them. So first we have that one, second of all we have this one, and third Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next one.